Russian military blogger says Ukrainian forces have crushed part of the Russian lines south of the town of Velyka Novosilka, briefly capturing several villages as Russian forces retreat to higher ground. Ukraine says it has made gains near Bakhmut, which fell to Russia last month. In footage released by the ministry on Saturday, the drones are shown attacking tanks in the Zaporizhzhia region where Kyiv forces have so far focused their counteroffensive. German-made Leopard tanks and U.S. Bradley fighting vehicles moving toward the city of Tokmak, in southern occupied Ukraine. New Ukrainian NATO standard tanks and combat vehicles appear in battlefield pictures as military analysts say attacks. Kyiv's long-awaited reply is underway. Ukrainian counteroffensive has begun. This is an attempt to pin down Russian forces and investigate weaknesses. Ukrainian troops made some progress in the south this week, but the equipment losses were also significant, said the official, who spoke on condition of anonymity. Kyiv is widely expected to seek to cut the zone currently occupied by Russia in half, cutting off vital supply and communication lines for Moscow's troops in Crimea. A counteroffensive is unlikely to unfold as one major operation. It will likely consist of multiple attempts at various locations of varying size and intensity over several weeks. The deployment of a number of Leopard and Challenger 2 tanks, or infantry fighting vehicles such as the Bradleys and German Martyrs that Ukraine has received since December, will clearly signal an ongoing counteroffensive. He said that at least one of the newly formed and equipped assault brigades in Ukraine had now committed to fight. Russia plans to fight a linear defensive battle from the trench line, exploiting the barrier belt, retreating to deeper defensive positions when pressed. The key unknown is the extent to which Russia has a credible backup formation that can react to Ukrainian thrusts to block or counterattack. Everything is just beginning, said Ivan Popov, commander of Russia's 58th Army, on the Defense Ministry's Telegram channel. We will be ready. Ukraine has formed about 9 assault brigades for counteroffensives.